Okay, and here we can get into our bidding settings. This is one of the most important parts of this entire setup because this is where you can accidentally overspend if you just accept whatever Google suggests. For a brand new campaign, I recommend starting with maximize clicks. By default, it's set to conversions, so I'm going to change this to clicks. This is one of the most simple campaign types that we can use, and it also helps us start getting traffic right away so we can use that data to improve our campaigns further. And then under this, let's set a maximum cost per click bid limit. So we'll tick this on here. For this setting, just enter the most you'd be comfortable paying for one click. I'm setting it to $10 for now, not because I expect to pay that much, but just to give Google a limit so it doesn't go too high when we're getting started. When you're new, you usually won't know exactly what a realistic cost per click looks like yet, so just pick a number you're comfortable with. If $10 feels too high, you can set it lower, and later on as you learn your niche and your keywords better, you can always adjust it. So now that we've set our bid limit, let's quickly talk about how Google Ads bidding actually works. So Google Ads works kind of like an auction, but it's not just about who bids the most. Google also cares about how relevant and helpful your ad is. Your position is based on two things working together: what you're willing to pay and your ad quality. So even if someone bids more than you can still show above them in the search results if your ad is more relevant and higher quality. And this also affects what you pay. When your quality is stronger, your clicks usually get more efficient. That means you're often not paying your full max bid, and higher quality can help you spend less for the same traffic while cutting down on wasted spend. Here's what you want to focus on. Make sure your ad clearly matches what someone searched for. Write it in a way that gives them a real reason to click, and then send them to a landing page that delivers exactly what the ad promised. So with that said, we set our maximum cost per click bid limit to $10, but with a high quality ad, we may end up spending significantly less for this. So now that we understand that and we've set everything up here, let's scroll down and we'll leave only bid for new customers turned off.